this channel. I'm very excited to be filming this video because it's fall season, guys. I cannot wait to put some darker earth tones, some darker jewel tones on my skin. I'm gonna actually use a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. It is the Dark Magic palette. Ooh. And oh, I just think it's gonna be so lovely. I'm inspired by the makeup giveaway that recently finished. This is the Kiehl Creme de Corps Body Moisturizer. Haven't had any moisture on my hands yet. Let's do that. And this is the Burt's Bees Brightening Skin Perfecting Serum with Daisy Extract. Honestly, that giveaway just like, it kind of made me want to go like giveaway crazy. I don't know, like I just thought, oh my gosh, everyone's having so much fun with this giveaway, and I loved shooting all the videos that I did on my other channel. I thought, you know what? I want to try to do at least 2 giveaways in September and hit that notification bell because this is probably where I'm going to be uploading all the winners of the giveaways really quick. Also, you guys, I love to give a shout out. Okay, I'm looking for the person that I really wanted to shout out. Where is it? Ah! Oh, gosh. I was just reading the comment. Where'd it go? I'm so sorry if I ever butcher anyone's name in a shout out. I do not mean to. I have this comment by Chubby with a Side of Me. She says, "Hi Cami, OMG, I love your channel so much. You're so beautiful. I hope to win this giveaway." Hope is just such an amazing thing. Like, it is what keeps people going towards their goals. It totally ties in with the motivational and inspirational quotes that I put on the first video on this channel. I'm all for that type of communication. Keep shouting out and look for your comment on the next video. This is the One Heck of a Blot Instant Perfecting Power Primer. I like to put this under my eyeshadows to make them stay. As you can see, guys, I'm in between with what I'm doing with my background. It's changing. Like every video I make, I take stuff down, I put stuff up. It's an ongoing process. I really think that I need to go like fall home decor shopping, and I don't know when that's gonna happen. So now I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Gotta have coffee. Okay, so about my background situation, guys, it's like ever changing. I really don't know what I want to do with it. I got this new Wet n Wild crease brush, guys. How cute is this? It's like white and pink at the same time. It's super soft, so I'm hoping that it will work well on my eyes. It's my first time using it. So nice getting new brushes, guys. I need to wash like a ton of mine, but so the first color I'm gonna use the color. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it so you can see like how it looks. It's kind of ashy, from the Dark Magic Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just gonna spread that over my eyelid. I'm using a crease brush that I feel like is small enough for my crease. I have a hooded eye, so I kind of have to make a crease, like an artificial one, with color. The sun is making an appearance. It is a lot brighter than it was a few minutes ago, but that's okay. We're gonna work with it. I don't buy new makeup brushes that much, so I'm exploring right now. Let me know which makeup brushes you guys use. Oh gosh, I really want to explore this green. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna swatch it for you. Look. Ooh. You guys, I'm gonna go head on with Potion, that green color that I showed you. Potion isn't very pigmented. It could be if I wet my brush, but it's daytime and I do have somewhere to go. I need to run some errands. I'm gonna take Mojo. It's the darkest brown in the palette. On my M506 brush by Morphe, Mojo is the darkest brown in the palette. I'm taking that and I'm just putting it right in my crease, my natural crease. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild crease blending brush and I'm going back in just to soften the line at the top. So I'm just taking a little bit more of and I'm basically almost brushing up to my brow bone. Okay, and then I'm gonna take Trickery A little bit later in the video, I need to figure out which of these shimmering metallic looking colors I'm gonna use on the inner corner of my eye to make the look come together. I'm gonna jump to the lashes. Guys, I'm gonna use these. These are JCAT Beauty lashes. These are style EL213. They're full, but I don't think that they're gonna completely cover everything that I've done on my eye. So here we go. And then I'm gonna also add like mascara and like curl my lashes a little bit later. So now I can kind of like gauge like how much more color I want to put on my face. Yeah, so let's go ahead, and I'm using another pack of the CNC So Wiped makeup remover wipes. These are called the Tropical Facial Wipes. They smell so good, you guys. Okay, let me get rid of a little bit of the eyeshadow fallout. We are going to return to the bottom of the eyes a little bit later. This is the e.l.f. brow pencil, guys, in the color Deep Brown. I like that it has a spoolie on this side, which is reminiscent of the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil that I used to use. And then the color just like twists up on this side, so you can see. Honestly, when I got this brow pencil, I thought the crayon is going to be way too thick. My eyebrows are kind of on the narrow side. But I just decided, you know, let me just get it and then see if I like it. You guys, I've been using this e.l.f. brow pencil literally all summer long. I didn't do that many makeup tutorials in the summer, but if you were wondering what brow pencil I was using, it was this one. I thought it was going to be too thick and uncontrollable, but look how easily I can control this crayon. I'm doing the bottom of my brows. I already just touched up the top. Look at that shape already. Usually crayons are too thick, guys. That's why I was going for the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil, which I still like, but this just has been a recent favorite. I'll go ahead and say it, a favorite. Okay, so now we're gonna focus on the face, guys. You know, at the beginning of the tutorial, I used a primer on my eyelids just to make my eyeshadow stay. I'm gonna put the same primer on a couple of other key areas on my face. Here, where I sweat a lot. Here are my cheeks, where I sweat a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and use a foundation on my face. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution foundation in the color F12. So this is my Real Techniques face and body sponge. So you might be thinking right now, Cami, obviously this is too neutral or light for you. Remember bronzer, don't forget. But I also need to hurry up because I don't want this to settle into my smile lines. I'm just gonna add a little bit of concealer to my eyes before I go ahead and set the powder on my face. The concealer I'm using today is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And this is the color Praline. It has a small doe foot applicator. This is a beauty favorite. People love this concealer. It does a full coverage job. Okay guys, so this is the part where I ask you the question for the giveaway. What is the color of the eyebrow pencil that I used in this video? Write that down below, guys, and I will see it. Obviously, this foundation is not the color of my neck. I'm gonna warm up my appearance with, I have a ton of text right now. I'm gonna warm up my appearance with the Maybelline Age Rewind. This is the color Hazelnut. Woo. Okay, so I'm taking this, my skin tone and my scalp are darker, so I'm just gonna blend this out. It's gonna make me look like a real woman, it's gonna make me look like a real person. Okay. I don't like putting too much on the bottom of my face now because I'm already like narrow. And with bronzer, you guys, you want to push up. Okay, I'm just going over with the foundation side of my sponge just to make sure the bronzer, the hazelnut, didn't spill over into the light areas that I want to stay light on my face. All right, so I'm gonna take that same color and just like make my nose a little bit more defined. Okay, so now it's time to set my face. I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and yeah, this is the color translucent, so it kind of has a little bit of a tint to it, but it's barely a tint. Usually I'll start in the center of my face, right under my eyes, to try to keep the concealer from creasing. Okay guys, so now that we have our powder there, we can get back to the eyes. Take the same brush I was using earlier by BEAUTE Soleil. I'm taking Potion, and I'm just gonna rim the bottom of my eyes. Just look how pretty this green is turning out under here. Oh snap, I really like it. You guys know who's really good at doing stuff like this? CHRISTEN Dominique. I realized like I wasn't using like enough of my lid space because I have like such a small amount of lid space, so I get like afraid to put too much color in here. So now I'm taking Power Cut. We're just gonna go right on top on the inside. I like the way this is coming out, but I'm so nervous to do this part because I don't want to mess it up. I'm taking Inside Job here, and I'm gonna go on top of Potion. Woo. I'm just gonna put this on the outside. That way there's a transition from darkest green, mid green, and then green with some shimmer on it. So it's Inside Job, Potion, and then Power Cut. To tie the look in, I'm adding a tiny bit of the Sephora Black Kohl pencil. You guys, this pencil is actually pretty good. It surprised me when I used it for the first time. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Endless Summer, guys. I'm actually just gonna try to use this to make my cheeks like stand out. I don't really want to use any blush with this look. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe away the rest of the powder on my face because I was letting it sit so it could bake. Okay, my Essence Make Me Brow Gel. No surprise here guys, I'm using the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. This is the color Black. This makes your eyelashes so long. Are you guys interested in winning one of these in the giveaway? Because I talk about it so much. This is going to lengthen. For lips, I want to use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is the color called Globetrotter. Oh my goodness. I'm excited about this. This is going to be so pretty with the green. So first I'm going to line my lips. This is called Nothing But Nude. It's the lip pencil by Sephora. I just thought it would be cuter if I just showed you how my hair is gonna be. Ugh, I can just tell. This is basically me ready for fall, but I'm gonna do one more thing. You guys are gonna really like it. Morphe Spark Highlighter that I usually use. It's so gorgeous. Like, if you've seen some of my videos from the past, you'll know I'm not a huge fan of putting highlighter here on my cheeks. I probably will try it sometime at some point, but I just, now I can't. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave your comment down below with the answer to your giveaway question, and also come back and see me next time.